I spec'd these guys earlier. They look ugly.
Oh no! I knew this would happen! I foresaw this!
Crap. The enemy has taken our intelligence.
Come on, come on!
Thanks, Pally!
Holy crap, this goes on fast.
Just bought 2 tickets to the gun show, and I'm not giving them to you. I'm going.
The enemy has dropped our intelligence.
Hiding won't save you.
Are you freaking kidding me?
So scared!
Oh dear, I've made quite a mess.
Ooh, yeah, you're real scary.
Oh, please. Ah.
You, baby! Crawl to point!
Yeah, gotcha!
Come on!
Oh, this ain't good.
Do you remember me?
No. Will you just let's go?
Do you remember me?
The enemy has taken our
You
intelligence.
think I would forget you?
What the hell was that crap? Ah, crap!
You are so small! Funny to me! Alright, I am going to kill you, and kill you, and kill
Too
you!
handsome to die.
But I have planned for you. More pain.
Pyro, help me cap this point!
I'm dying here!
We have you surrounded at least this
Stupid!
You are scum! You are nothing but a bunch of dogs!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
In the eye of a tiger, the heart of a lion, the wings of an eagle, the silent majesty of a
Go,
kraken!
incoming!
The enemy intelligence.
Let's give this soup can hell!
Kiss me.
No!
No!
You are dead!
No.
Fight me, coward!
Get a haircut, trash! You mutant maggot egg! Come on, maggot! Let's dance, maggot!
Are ya?
Gentlemen, I'm back. May I make a suggestion? Run.
Ronnie!
I'm coming for you.
Our intelligence.
Circles around!
Just me, ladybug! I am a asses! This is my intelligence! Step up and get flipped! My foot will transform into a foot, so say your prayers and Move it, lads! Yeah, that seems about right.
I'm a freaking blur here!
Each and every one of you will be sent home to your mama in a box!
It's on! It's gonna kill you and
I'm going to.
you
Son of a say! Damn it!
You son.
This be lesson for you!
That didn't hurt!
That slaps me on the knee. This is just the beginning of the pain I will cause you.
Move it up! Come on, come
I
on!
am not trapped in a forest full of robots! You are all trapped in here with me!
Just lay your weapons.
You maggot scum of your side!
No
Is anybody even paying attention to me?
This be me. Pop my head. Yes, here. Take this robot's ass. Go play here. Just keep it at slap my hand. Yes. I am programmed to give you a sensible haircut. Yeah! Nice haircut. I'm dead. You're dead? That's good.
Either haven't.
Medic! I need some help.
I am not back.
You are not.
I should have done this long ago.
Ah, crap.
Not a big surprise.
This is what the president must feel like all the time.
We are screwed!
Doom! All of you are doomed.
Are you freaking kidding me?
I was told we would be fighting men.
Scout, if you know what's good for you, you will run.
No!
Run!
Yeah, gotcha!
Run! I'm coming for you! Move it, lads!
Oh, hey! Help!
Go, go, go! Soldier is dead! Right,
Look up, lads!
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
Smooth business.
Well, off to visit your mother.
I'm getting too old and giant for this.
Nobody saw us lose that one, right?
You failed stalemate.